mirror on the wall, magical knower of things all, tell me now, am I the reddest?
Well, of course, my lord. But there is another.
Great all-powerful mirror of question-based magic, who among the earth-walking cretins shines more crimson than I?
Well, there's a red guy.
A red guy? Who is this red guy?
Upon looking into this further, it would seem his name is Dynamite Anton.
Yes! I demand that you find this Antoine, find out what he loves the most, and take it from him. He will come running, and I will siphon his delightfully rosy tone, leaving me the reddest being on and slash or in the planet.
Annie, you useless lump! Look what you did!
Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. There we go.
That does it! I'm gonna find out who did this and blast him into teeny tiny little pieces!
No. Why are you here again? You can win all the punchball tournaments you want, lady. I gotta give you tea. I don't gotta let you squat in here. Don't you see I'm dealing with, I don't know, something apocalyptic?
Oh, yeah. I did notice there's certain fresh new smog rolling through. Now that you, mention it.
Oh, real observant. That's not even the worst of it. Ooh, here are all these little hell spawn running roughshod over all my establishments. Even the less rambunctious ones are racking up huge orders, and they don't tip well.
Whoa! That's awesome.
No, it's not. You know how hard it is to find an exterminator who does demons? Don't you have somewhere to be?
Not really. That's why I'm here.
Well, unless you're gonna help me out, get lost! I got mysterious auras to disperse. My insurance does not cover acts of mysterious aura.
Yeah. I'll think about it.
I doubt that.